What up, guys? It is Tech Intellect, and I got something special for y'all, for myself, but for y'all as well. I ended up getting the new iPhone X Max, 264 gigabytes. But I was just only supposed to get this, but I ended up buying some other stuff, of course, at the Apple Store. Got the Apple Watch and the AirPods. You guys seen the AirPods before. I'll be doing some kinds of product reviews and different activities that I'll be testing these out with, like playing basketball. Alright, but first and foremost, I want to check this one out. It's been a long time. I've been waiting to do this. You guys seen already that I already had the X, but this is just something a little different. I'll let you know the specs on the screen. This stuff comes with the guide and everything like that. How to put your SIM card in. Oh man, I always get so excited when I do this. This thing is humongous. Wow. Compared to my iPhone 10, this is really big. Just the screen size in the hand, but it feels really good. I had to stick with the gray. But yes, let's do this. But it comes with the earphones, lightning cable, and wall adapter. So I'm just gonna toss this to the side. Man, that's pretty much all it is. And I took it off, man. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's see if it turned on. Powering up. Dang, glass on glass. I'm scared. While it's booting up, I might as well open this up too. What y'all think, man? Alright, let's do it. Tour right off. I'm going to set it up with my iPad. I love that feature, that you're able to just do that. Then you hold it up to the camera. Man, I almost don't even want to open this. Because I was contemplating a lot whether or not I really wanted this or whether or not I really needed this. But, I already took the plastic off, so I might as well just, bust it open. It's weird packaging. I don't want to open the box up all the way. Alright, so here's the watch. Here's the band that it came with. Oh, it's a nice design on the inside of that too. Alright, so let's just open that. And press next. Don't copy my phone number now. Don't look. Alright, so it comes again with the instructions, the lightning cable. Oh, I got a lot of lightning cables, and a wall adapter. And here's the sleeve. Wow, is this the right one? It's supposed to be 44. Oh yeah, it's big. It's a big boy right here. I don't even know what to do. So I'm going to come back with y'all. Well, it turned on right away. So I got this bad boy all ready. So, I don't know what to damn do. My phone is now activated. So let me put on Do Not Disturb just real quick. So I paired it up. I wear it on my right wrist. I'm gonna put my crown down like this. You know, I'm agreeing to that. So I'm gonna just do this now. I know it's gonna take forever. While that's going, I'm gonna set this up. Come with the basic info. I'm gonna need the shorter one. Alright, just got everything finally back up and running. Setting up my Apple Watch right now, agreeing to terms and conditions, sign in. I know this is going to take a long time, and I was not ready for that. But I'll come back to y'all with some more information and stuff like that. And thank y'all for watching, and comment, rate, and subscribe to see the next video. Alright, see y'all later.